Okay, guys, in today's video, we will be checking out the assets, all these assets together, okay? And we will be checking out how they are performing and what we should look out for whenever we are trading this week, okay? So we will be doing all this together. And of course, guys, it is also an opportunity for you guys to understand the same strategy which I am using to generate profitable trades like this so that you too can do that from the comfort of your home. Okay. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this. Okay. And if you also want to benefit from my free trading signals, you can also join my Telegram channel. The link is there in the description box. Okay. And of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you send a direct message to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So let's go straight into what we have right here. So I'll be starting with GainX 1200, and we are checking out all the assets out on 15-minute time frame. If there is need for me to go to higher time frame or lower time frame, I will let you know. So quickly, this is a setup that we actually picked up after buying for a very long time. If you should notice, sometimes around last week it got to this resistance zone, but later on broke out above it, and now it has gotten to a new resistance zone. Okay, it got to this new resistance zone yesterday night, and if you had followed my video, then you should be in big profit right now. Okay, so this is the entry point, this is the stop loss. Okay, and of course we have some TPs highlighted. TP 1, 2 and 3 have been achieved. I'm hoping that it will get to the last TP, which is TP 4, and it is heading towards there right now. If I were you, I'm going to secure some profit for on the last order. Okay, just drag your stop loss to somewhere here, and that will help you to secure some profit till it is able to achieve the last TP. And if there is any need for it to reverse its action, or to switch from this trend to a new trend at this point, it will get to your stop loss, and your stop loss will secure the rest of the profit for you. It is as simple as that. Don't stress yourself at all. Okay, just follow the process and you will definitely get it right. Okay, so this is another asset, GainX 999. The last asset we actually analyzed was GainX 1200. So now GainX 999. GainX 999 had also been on uptrend. If you remember, sometimes last week we actually milked it up to the resistance zone. So it has got into a new resistance zone right now. It has not been able to break out from there. So it switched back into a downtrend. So right here, we are having our entry point and our stop loss. Okay, at the resistance zone. So right now we have some highlighted TP. It is yet to achieve the first TP, so we are still on it. So you guys can still join TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last TP, which is going to be TP 6. Okay, is also there. So this is still fresh. Hoping that it should be able to achieve TP 1 and 2 easily. But if it breaks out from there, then it should be able to achieve the rest also. But the first two TPs is compulsory. So let's see how it goes, guys. Okay, now let's move on. Paynex 1200. See, this is Paynex 1200. Finally, we achieved all the TPs on this particular asset. Okay, we all started it from this support zone. Okay, since it's unable to break out from there, so it switched into an uptrend. So in case you don't know about this strategy we are using to generate all these signals, it is called trend trading strategy, and it is very easy to use. All it just need is, all you need to do is just for you to follow the signal that supports this strategy. Okay, that support the trend. Okay, so if the trend is on uptrend, the only signal you should go for is the buy signal, and it is always important you start from the support zone. If the market is on downtrend, the only signal you should go for, it should be a downtrend signal. It should be a sell signal, and it should be from the resistance zone. Okay, so that is it. It is as simple as that. So you should be able to identify your trends. You should be able to know when the trend is changing from one trend to another, and it usually happen around the zones, that is around the support and resistance zone. So you should be able to identify your support and resistance zones also. Okay, so these will help you to milk the market for a very long time, then you should know how to set up your trades. These are some of the things you should know how to do. So we actually set up this trade, entry point, stop loss, and we have some highlighted TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last TP, which is the final TP 6, it might take some time to achieve it, and sometimes it will not even achieve it at all. So that is why I always change its own color. Okay, but the most important part of the TPs are these first five TPs. But this time around, we achieved all the TPs. You can see it took some time before it achieved it, but finally it achieved it. So that's so amazing. So right now, this is at the resistance zone. So we should be having a new setup right now. Okay, so I'm going to drag this up. Okay, at the resistance zone. The purpose of this is that we want to know if it will break out above the resistance zone. If it does not and it switch into a downtrend, then it may likely turn out to be our spot for stop loss. Okay, so now I'm going to add our entry point at this point. That is, if this switch into a downtrend, then definitely the sell signal should give us a good entry point at this spot. Okay, and of course this will now be our stop loss zone at that particular time. Then we can now have some highlighted TPs for ourselves. Okay, so the first TP can be here, and okay, yeah, it's okay like this. So the second TP, let's see, then the third one, I'm going to adjust it to this, then the fourth. Okay, so these are the TPs. Then I'm going to drag this down here. Okay, this is the final one, but we are not sure if it's going to achieve this. But these are the main ones which I feel it should achieve easily. That is, if this is triggered. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you guys can follow up with that. Okay, so let's see if this will break out above the resistance zone or it will go fully into a downtrend. Okay, that's PNX 1200. Now let's move on to PNX 999. Wow, this is a beautiful one from PNX 999. So this is the support zone. When it got here, it was unable to break out from there, so it switched into an uptrend. So we add our entry point at this point. But because of the movement of the chart, I only have two TPs. Okay, but they are big TPs. Okay, so TP1 achieved and TP2 is about to be achieved. That's just it. So probably after that, we will have to drag this up to the resistance zone to see if it will break out from there. If it breaks out from there, then we will continue with a buy signal, which is towards this. Okay, but if it does not, then it will switch back into a downtrend. So let's be hopeful. Let's see what will happen right from there. But for now, it is still buying until we are able to confirm the next direction after getting to the resistance zone. Okay, so the last TP, the second TP is about to be achieved right now. Okay, so that's so amazing. Now let's check out FX volume 80. This is another opportunity that you guys may want to tap into. This has actually got into the resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there. It gave us a downtrend signal, even though it has sold for a while. So I'm giving us a new entry point. Okay, this is the entry point because of this region and this region. So once it breaks out from there, I believe it can trigger this and give us some profits right from there. So we have some highlighted CPs for ourselves. Okay, so I believe this should give us good profit if this is triggered. Okay, and right here can be the stop loss also. Okay, so this is very, very important. So that is how it works. This is trend trading strategy, and all you just need to do is just for you to follow the trend, and you will definitely get it right. Okay, although it takes some time for you to be able to master a skill like this. Okay, so you need to practice more within using your demo account, so that you will be able to perfect everything that you need to perfect before you start using your real account. I don't want you to risk your money. Okay, your hard-earned money is very, very important. The main purpose of you investing your money is for you to make more profit. So it will be bad if you are losing it as a result of you not perfecting your trading skills very well before you start using it on your real account. Okay, I will be stopping right there. And if you want to know more about this custom made indicator, you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.